pulling up on the beach right now, so I'm about to show you guys what I'm looking at. It's truly incredible. Okay, I have arrived in paradise. I knew it was love at first sight. I am in Krabi, Thailand. Yes, still Thailand, way south towards Malaysia, Singapore almost. This place is ridiculous. There's still plenty of sunshine and my hotel's surrounded by food. I don't even know what I'm gonna do with myself. The beach is right down the road. There's another beach down the road, some islands that are accessible not too far from here. I'm about to have a blast. Yeah, let's get right to it. I'm just so excited. I haven't even got to the beach yet. I have my drone with me. Past maybe 20 restaurants. I'm gonna make sure I eat at every single one. I had no clue I'd be looking at something like this just like 2 months ago. I love that. The fact that you can always take control of whatever it is that you want to take control of in your life. It might seem like there's absolutely no way to make it happen. It might seem super crazy or like it's just not in the cards at all. But just like that, I mean, there's a will, there's a way, figure it out. And then ta-da, you're at this beautiful beach in South Thailand. This is a long walk over here. I'm not about to walk that today just because I've been on the airplane and I'm hungry and that stuff. But what I am gonna do is fly the drone up from here, just take some shots so I can do a Okay, so I just flew the drone here. I'm not sure what it is with the internet here in Thailand, but like, all right, so one, my phone settings are all messed up. So I try to use my drone, I take off, and all of a sudden I get like 5 error messages, like transmission error, signal interference, like as if someone called a UAV. So I don't know what it is, might just be like a whole bunch of coincidences. Anyways, I got to cover a bunch of this stuff. It looks fantastic. I'm starving, I want to check out more stuff, but I'm definitely gonna have to get some food. Happy to be back in the beach, just day one here. Okay, so that's it, a quick beach run. I'm literally about to pass out. I've been traveling all day. I've been just working nonstop the whole day. I was in the airport on the computer. I'm a little exhausted. I'm gonna go out to dinner. I haven't made up my mind if I want to take my camera yet. I might just want to be low-key tonight. So if that is the plan, a little low-key night. Like always, I will see you all in the next video. Thanks so much for joining along. I'm only gonna keep bumping this up. Cooler stuff. You're only gonna see more locations. So I don't plan on stopping anytime soon at all. Definitely go ahead and subscribe and get comfy, you know, why not? If you have any suggestions, places that you wanna see me go, drop a comment and I'll consider. I am starving, I'm about to go eat. Yeah, I will see you tomorrow.
there's this street lining the beachfront closer to the hotel, and there are several restaurants along the beach. Such an experience to see a view like that while you're eating dinner. Something interesting I noticed, the shores, within a course of the time I was eating dinner, the shores seem to have receded about 500 meters. What I found out that I would notice is you could actually walk very far out into the sea and the water would only be at your ankles. I mean, that's just amazing for so many different reasons. I have to go back out there. So yeah, like always, tomorrow, another video. I will see you then.